Finding the courage to change, learning to forgive. We all know the relief of forgiveness. Someone important is angry at us. We try various strategies to get back into their good graces. A relationship feels all wrong while anger, blame, and resentment are dominating it. Slowly, we shift back into a more loving and accepting attitude towards each other. When our puzzle pieces snap back together correctly, the relief is enormous. Forgiving and being forgiven feels great. Holding on to the emotions of anger, blame, and resentment hurts me. When I hang on to those negative feelings, I'm holding myself down. The other person is free. I had a habit of resentment, but I didn't know how to forgive. Slowly, I realized everybody makes mistakes. Then I realized that making mistakes is how we learn. We're not supposed to be perfect. Life is all about learning and growing. I learned to accept and then celebrate my mistakes. It's all good. This is how I'm learning to forgive myself. My people-pleasing habit is more deeply rooted. It's a natural instinct for all mammals. We crave the safety of our tribe. The best I can do is to make friends with my instincts. I can find ways to connect to my higher power anytime I start to people please. Source energy is always available. I simply have to remember to plug into it. When I'm focused on source, it's easy to let go of my natural fear and resentment. In this way, I'm learning to forgive others. We're all in this together.